What's up? This is Car Quickie. I wanted to first say thanks for growing this family to 20 subscribers. I really appreciate that. And I want to remind you to subscribe if you're new around here. I'm not trying to say anything too much, but we're going to be getting a Corvette if we can hit 500 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see that happen. Today's topic is going to be the top 3 supercars that the C8 Corvette is faster than in a 0 to 60. As proven in the Stradman's video, the beloved Aventador with its screaming V12 sadly isn't enough to take on the new C8 Corvette. Considering the fact that this Aventador came out in 2012, the Corvette is just so much more ahead of its time and has so much more potential with the Ultimate Z06 and ZR1 variants coming later in the coming years. Now the second car on the list, as you can tell, it's an American car as well. Now, not only is this new Vette 0.2 quicker in the 0 to 60, it's also 1/6 the price. Even though the Ford GT has more power similar to other cars in this list, it really doesn't help it with its slower 3-second 0 to 60 time. Now, the last car on this list is the beloved McLaren 600 LT. Though this McLaren 600 LT does have a stiffer ride and has some other perks such as being lighter than the current 570S, it's sadly not enough to actually catapult its way through the new Corvette with an only 2.9 0 to 60. Now I know with all these cars, 0 to 60 really doesn't matter. At the end of the day, top speed, there's a lot more variance inside of it. That's why some cars are $400,000, some are $30,000. But I just want to make a fun little list so some of us who actually can't see the power of the new C8 Corvette can actually kind of understand more of how crazy this car is and what it's doing. Now that's all we have for this one. Thank you for watching and staying this long. If you have, make sure to drop a like on this video. I'd like to try to hit 10 likes on this video. You guys have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one.